Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to install Office 365 from the Office 365 web portal. Now let's get started. I'm going to log into Office 365 portal, type in portal.office.com. I'm going to use my account, which is user2 at office365.com. Click Next, enter my password, click on Sign In, click Yes. So here is the main dashboard of Office 365. You can install Office 365 applications by click on this install button right here. If you click on the arrow down, you have an options to install Office app or other applications. I'm going to install Office app. As you can see, it's downloading the executable. I'm going to click on it, click yes. So you must be an administrator of the computer in order to install this applications. I'm going to minimize the screen. The installation has started. The installation will take a few minutes. I'm going to pause the recording and we'll come back. All right, look like we are almost done. All right, the installation is completed. I'm going to close and then launch. Let's launch Outlook. I'm going to put in Office User 2. It's going to be 0365.2.com. What's the options? Nope. Click Connect. That's fine. Click Done. All right, there it is. That's it, folks. That's how you install Office 365 from the Office 365 portal. Thank you for watching and have a great day.